Are you tired of bland, uninspiring coffee at home? Are you craving the rich, velvety foam that transforms your latte into a luxurious treat? Look no further than the Zulay Powerful Milk Frother, your new partner in coffee perfection. Let's explore why this handheld foam maker, known as the Milk Boss, is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, and here's why you need it. Unleash your inner barista. The Zulay Milk Frother is not just a kitchen gadget, it's your ticket to barista-level coffee at home. Say goodbye to mediocre froth. This handheld wonder creates rich, creamy foam in seconds, adding that professional finishing touch to your favorite drinks. Whether it's a latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate, indulge in cafe-quality beverages without leaving your kitchen. Versatile whisking power. Beyond coffee, the Milk Boss excels at various tasks. It outperforms manual matcha whisks, making your matcha tea smoother and more delightful. No need for extra containers or blenders. This mini foamer effortlessly mixes protein powder drinks, giving your shakes and smoothies a flavor-packed kick. Embrace versatility in your kitchen with the Zulay Frother. Premium quality, trusted durability. Zulay prioritizes premium materials to ensure the Milk Frother stands the test of time. Backed by the Zulay guarantee, this frother is designed not to rust or break, promising enduring performance. It caters to all types of milk, half and half, soy, almond, cashew, and more, making it an essential tool for any coffee lover's kitchen. Effortless cleaning and storage. Experience convenience with the easy-to-clean design of the Zulay Frother. The durable metal stand ensures quick access to frothy goodness, while cleanup is a breeze. Just run the whisk under hot water and briefly turn it on for instant cleanliness. Compact and efficient, this frother's electric design fits neatly into drawers or sits alongside your other coffee accessories. No hassle. Zulay guarantee. Zulay stands by the quality of its products. The Milk Frother is no exception, backed by a lifetime guarantee. If any issues arise, the Zulay team is ready to make it right. Order with confidence, knowing that this frother will exceed your expectations, guaranteed. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.